Snipers, you have to see what's happening in the Bitcoin price this Sunday as we're getting a test of 58,353, which is the most important resistance level right now, that if the bulls are able to get above, that could potentially signal that this is the end of this potential downside and that we could potentially see Bitcoin move to higher price levels if we see the volume and we see the decisive candles come above $58,353 level. We have a lot to look at today. Remember, the weekends are the most volatile due to CME futures markets being closed. But despite this bearish continuation daily candle that we had here on the 26th of November, you can see right now we are testing this extremely important resistance here at 58,353. We're going to look at the gold to Bitcoin chart as well. There's a huge puzzle piece with that moving below the 50-day moving average that I want to talk about. And then, of course, Ethereum testing 43.73 today. Let's just pull up the 6-hour chart for Bitcoin, because first we want to look at the type of volume that we're seeing here and what type of candle symmetry. Got this extremely bullish 6-hour candle. We've yet to really see decisive institutional volume, but we're seeing a lot of retail participation, in my opinion. And this is a very positive sign, because the fact that all it took was a little bit of buy volume to get Bitcoin back to test 58,353. If we can just see some more volume come in as we start to see traditional markets open and institutions start hedging their capital in the market, if we can get above 58,353 on the 4-hour Ichimoku, that would start putting us towards the upper level here of the cloud, getting above the cloud, and now it can turn into a support level. And so 58,353 is not just important in the macro time frame, but it's also important in the micro time frame based on this 4-hour chart. And then, of course, in the daily, if we stay below 58,353, the range still has a support of 49,700. So getting above that eliminates the $49,700 level as a potential downside target if we start to see price action move towards the 50-day moving average in the monthly open at 61,300. That's going to even show more decisive action with the bulls, that this truly could potentially not only test the previous all-time high, but even see further upside. We do want to look here at Ethereum as well, because notice how the US dollar pairing is testing its previous all-time high before Bitcoin right now, and that's at 43.73. You can see that we have a candle high here of 43.75. That's not a coincidence here on the Sniper channel. You know, all of our numbers are extremely important. If we get above 43.73, now we can start talking about price discovery for Ethereum. And as long as the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart continues to see strength and breaks this major resistance level, now we can even say that Ethereum may outperform Bitcoin. And so this is going to be huge to monitor if we get this confirmation of this break of 76,000 Satoshis. But the gold to Bitcoin chart below the 50-day moving average again, this signals to me that Bitcoin has some fuel, that we're seeing bulls step up to the plate, and that we could potentially see this continue further down. We get below the monthly open. That's the confirmation I'm looking for, that we're going to see further downside for the gold to Bitcoin chart, which means that Bitcoin has a lot more fuel in the tank to see higher price levels and price discovery. So that's the bullish case right now. We get above 58,353. That's going to be a very positive thing for the bulls. And of course, coming below 58,353 at any point keeps us in the range with a support of 49,700. But right now we're seeing some very good momentum here at the 100-day moving average. It's not as much volume as we'd like to see on the 6-hour just yet, but for now it's working to bring Bitcoin to an important level. With that, thank you all for tuning in to the Snipers channel today. I hope you enjoyed this Sunday update. I appreciate each and every one of you tuned into the channel. I couldn't do this without you. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can hit 100 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Snipers out.